Hey, what's up, peeps? So I'm just outside surveying the garden before it looks like it's gonna storm again. The sun is out, but those big old clouds right there, I don't know. This is day 3 of rain, and we haven't gotten a lot of rain at all for like 2 weeks. So they see you, girl. They see you. So anyway, I came out to check the rain barrel, and it is completely full. And I discovered that it also has some dead mosquitoes in it, and I sprinkled this mosquito bits in here after the fact because I hadn't had any problems with mosquitoes until yesterday. I got bit like 4 times, and I was out here for like 2 minutes but you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see dead mosquitoes. So I don't know if I had put some in here before now or what, but they are dead. So I sprinkled a little bit more of the mosquito bits in there, and I put some on top too because water was collecting here as well. Let me show you the mosquito bits. Sorry about the flipping of the camera. So if you have standing water anywhere in your garden for any reason, it would be a good idea to kind of sprinkle some of this around. And it's supposed to be okay for organic gardening as well. So yeah, I just wanted to share that resource.
There one again.
I know. Where is he? I think he's in that tree right there.
And people have, I'm still in my pajamas.
She's in her pajamas. This is where she decided to wear to bed last night. Yeah. But, oh my gosh, the sun is coming out. It's just cloudy. But I'm okay with getting more rain because we haven't gotten any. I mean, it's been like 2 weeks. So Father's Day started the kickoff of the rain. The watermelon bed is looking real nice and growing. We had one flower and it's kind of dried up now. You got a mosquito on you? There it is. But looks like it dried up on me. That's okay. It's going slowly but surely. And then the reason why I came out here is because I wanted to check on these pole beans and see if any flowers have set. And I don't think they are yet. I think they're about to come out though. I'll look down here in the bottom to see if I have any, but I don't think I do. So I added some twine to connect to this black arch trellis here. And I'm just going to train, if I can, the vines to go toward that. Baby, you okay? I almost backed up over you. This didn't work out the way I thought I was going to have it. I planted a lot of Malabar spinach down here at the bottom, and I wanted it to kind of take over the trellis. A lot of seeds. I had several, and not a lot of them came up, and it's growing really, really slow. So I don't think I'm ever going to do that again. I'll probably put it in a container. So that didn't work out. That's okay. And then I'll use this trellis for like butternut squash or even the pole beans, you know, just kind of rethinking some things. But anywho, that's my plan right now. The pole beans have already started to travel up this trellis, but they're not going to have anywhere else to go. So I want to kind of send them that way if I can. We'll see. I don't know. But everything looks great. There's been tons of growth just over the past couple of days because of the rain. My bean bed trying to revive itself there. The okra is looking great. Everything's looking good. Let me see if I got some. I've been babying the heck out of this plant. Look at that, tons of fruit. We'll just see if it sets, you know. That's been the issue. They've been turning yellow and then falling off, and somebody was like, well, pollinate them. Yeah, I know to do that, and I tried that, but I don't know, they just keep. So anyway, I'm just gonna let it be. I'm not gonna worry about it anymore. I'm not gonna do that. The tomatoes are looking great. The plants, I had to come out here on Father's Day and tie a lot of them up because the cherry tomatoes, the plant structure of a cherry tomato is that they have several branches, and like main branches that kind of sprout out like that, you know, and instead of one plant and going up, or at least this variety, the San Marzano. And so it looks like the plant is splitting and or breaking at the bottom, and it's really not. It's just there's just so many different branches coming out from the plant at the bottom, you know, and then going up. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And so I came out here and it was all beat up by the rain and knocked down, but that's just what was happening. So I just tied it up with some twine there, and we're gonna continue to watch these babies grow. We got a lot of tomatoes on here so far already. I need to prune. I can see flowers setting still, which is all good, and I'm just excited about this season. I'm so excited. So yeah, let's see. Everything just looks so beautiful. Uh-oh, is that a zinnia popping up in there? Look at that. I didn't know there was one in there. So that's cool. That's cool. I just love it. I love seeing the garden in all of its glory, right? Like, it's just so pretty after rain. And I don't have a mask on, do I? I feel pretty good right now, so we'll see if that'll last. But yeah, everything's gotten adequate water because it's been raining, and everything is just kind of popping. Ooh, look at this. It just in a few days, this pepper plant looks completely different. Completely different. Oh my gosh, look at the basil. Oh, I mean, y'all might not notice, but I do, right? Because I'm looking at it every day. But I mean, just rain, it just does something. It makes me feel good too. Let me mosey around here. Come on around here, girl. Come on. Well, let's go see these peppers over here real quick. They're looking good too. I don't know if, I can't remember if I topped any of these. I'm just gonna let them grow. But this is, I bought these from the store. My peppers were growing so slowly, and I just didn't have the patience to keep waiting. But this is a red ghost hot pepper, and I think this is a habanero pepper. And these are for the hubby and my brother-in-law. No, this is a Santa Fe Giro hot pepper. So, ooh, and lots of flowers on there. I see like 3 or 4 blooms. So that's good. Yes, a little bit, girl. I know you always want me to carry you. Okay, and look at those clouds. I think we're gonna get some more rain. I was excuse me, talking to Dad, or the hubby, and seeing if he can go pick up a couple more rain barrels today, because we've just been getting all this rain.
Baby.
And clearly the rain barrel is over flooded, so there's no run over. I don't have a run over, you know, so it's just coming out.
And baby will show you.
Yee! I'm so excited though to see that. That makes me feel
Now
good.
people home watch it. Get it.
Come on, girl. Let's see. How's our strawberries looking? Okay. Yeah, they just started kind of not producing anymore. We haven't had strawberry off of there in a while, but looks like it's trying to. I did pull out. I had a poke plant in there, and I think it's really taken the nutrients away from the raspberry. And so I'm glad I got that out of there. Whoa, look at those watermelon plants back there. Oh my gosh, y'all, coming out to the garden after a couple of days of rain, even one day, you can tell the difference. Amazing to me. Look at the cucumbers. Whoa, I'm so pumped up. Like, it just never gets old, right? Like, every year when you grow stuff, it just never gets old to see your garden. just, you know, be great. It's living its best life right now. Living its best life. Now, this tomato plant is really trying to live his best life, so I gotta set that guy up. Hope it didn't break, but I got you. This is parsley that's went to seed, and it's starting the second phase of the process, which is the pods have formed. And so now I'm just on closer to the bottom. We can see a lot of, you know, open flowers still at the top. So as those pods dry up, I'm waiting for it to dry up, then I will harvest them, okay? Then I will harvest them. But for now, we're just gonna let it go. Look at this butternut squash. It's like, can you please let me... Whoa, did you hear that thunder? Can you please let me live my best life? And I'm clearly not letting it live its best life right now. Yeah, I need to help it vine up. And you know what? I may even move this over to that trellis because there's nothing else growing. I have not shown y'all my potato harvest videos because, but I have posted pictures on Instagram. Red potato harvest, but that's my last container right there. So I'm gonna give it a couple more weeks, and then I'll be done and be ready to use that pot for something else. But everything else is looking so beautiful. Ooh wee, look at these green beans. Hello, I need to come harvest these. It's about to rain right now. Yeah, I need to come harvest these green beans. Oh yeah, they're more than ready. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, y'all. Oh, Lord. Well, wait a minute. Y'all give me just a minute. Give me just a minute. I'm talking to the raindrops. Honey, they ain't fixing to give me nothing. But yeah, so there's my onions, not ready yet to harvest those. The onion sets was going to seed. My collards is working on it. Y'all see that? But they'll dry out soon enough. I started a bed over here. Y'all see it look a mess, right? But it was pretty until the yard people came and you know, just threw stuff everywhere. And then it looks like it's full of weeds, but that's actually just, it is a little bit around the border there. But oh, it's about to rain. Okay, and this video's long. Why didn't y'all tell me to stop? It's 12 minutes. I'm going on 13 minutes. Y'all didn't even tell me to stop. Well, let me get on out of here because it's about to rain again. It looked like it. But yes, so I planted some curly mustards over there just to see if they will come up. But we'll see. But let me get on. Look, y'all. I mean, it's coming. So let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Bye.